We still go left.
Hi everybody, I'm here. I'm Paul, your host at RV Caravan with Us. Today we're going to do a little trip around Barksdale Air Force Base in Bossier City, Louisiana. Tell you a little bit about it. It's the United States Air Force Base in the northwest of Louisiana. It's contiguous to Bossier City, Louisiana, along the base's western and northwestern edge. Barksdale Air Force Base occupies approximately 22,000 acres east of Bossier City and along the south edge of Interstate 20. There's more than 15,000 active duty and Air Force Reserve members that serve at Barksdale. The host unit at Barksdale is the 2nd Bomb Wing. It's the oldest bomb wing in the Air Force. It is assigned to the Air Force Global Strike Command, 8th Air Force, equipped with 44 B-52H Stratoforce bombers. The 2nd Bomb Wing provides flexible, responsive, global combat capability and trains all the Air Force Global Strike and Air Force Reserve Command Boeing P-52 Stratoforce crews. The base was established in 1932 as Barksdale Field and named for Air Force aviator and test pilot Eugene Foy Barksdale. He lived from 1896 to 1926. The Fam Camp consists of 62 sites, and we were just there, and they did a complete makeover of the existing Fam Camp and added, looks like about 20 something more sites. But it's really nice now that they've redone it all. There's 12 mobile homes, and you can make reservations 3 months in advance, and they require a deposit of a night's stay. The campsites go for $20 per night or $126 per week or $500 per month. Primitive camping is $4 per night per site. And they have recreational lodging units, which are 3-bedroom, 1 bath that are $55 per night, and 3-bedroom, 2 bath at $65 per night. So if you're thinking that you might want to stay, it's pretty nice. They've got a full-service bowling center and an 18-hole golf course and multiple dining options, travel office and equipment rental, shotgun club. I happen to have a friend that lives close by, so we always usually end up, if we head north from his house, we will stay here. It's really nice. It's really close to Margaritaville outside the base, and there's a few other casinos there close by. You'll hear me talking in the background a little bit about where I would be if I was still in the military. It's all about the security forces. To get to the campground, there are 2 ways to get there. You can come in on the back side of the base near the Good Sam's Camping World, or come in near Camping World, that's what it is. And you come in that gate, but you can only come in that gate up until, well, as I recall, you can't come in that gate, right? You have to come in across the main gate if you're towing a car. It will make you turn around and go right back out. Anyway, you have to go across, coming in from the main gate on the other side of the base. You're going to see us go past some airplanes here. It's a static display. And you come all along that road, and it will bring you to the other side of the base. And you'll cross the runway, and you'll come a long way around this 22,000 acres. So anyway, Louisiana has quite a bit to offer while you're there. They have some really good seafood, and there's plenty of restaurants off the base. And there's plenty of restaurants on the base. They have a nice commissary, a nice exchange.
Speed measuring devices, so that's why they measure airplanes.
Seems to me, since the last time I was here, the B-52s have all changed motors, so they're not nearly as noisy as they were taking off when I was there the last time.
So we've been to the commissary. Today's gas station on there. I guess this would be on the south side. Know where we are? No, north side of the place. East. We're on the north side of the place. As you can see, you can't see the south side of the base from here.
We're heading down the backside of the base now, headed towards the Fam Camp.
He's up there in the office.
That would be the base storage area for the RVs. You know, talk about a sell lot. I'm always looking for something for somebody. Yeah, since we were here the last time, they've upgraded all the facilities, and they opened up the second part of the Fam Camp.
We'll have to get the groceries.
And it's really beautiful. It's so new that they haven't even got the trees in yet. Unfortunately, I didn't get over there to get any pictures of it, but it is really large, and it will really be nice when they get all the trees put back in. Ready to pull into the campground up here. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure. If you like what we're putting out there, you can hit that like, smash the subscribe if you want to.
Get our groceries in.
Appreciate your remarks on our page. You can follow us on Facebook. You can take a tour, a rally. Anyway, thanks for watching.